Save big with OK Furniture's Christmas price beat. Don't miss out on the festive deals on furniture, appliances, home entertainment, and more. Browse our catalog now and shop these amazing deals in-store or online before 24 November 2024. T's and C's apply.
iDiskiTV, powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns moving 3 points behind the Orlando Pirates after defeating Polokwane City at Loftus Stadium. And to talk about Lomdlalo, I've got a former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Junior Khanye, kunjani mfowethu?
Shin Makreka kunjani Grootman
Lam? Ngishapha mfowethu.
Ngibulise uthiyami and welcome. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga Junior.
No, obviously ukukhumbula bese kuyinto ekhona. Ngibulise wena ngibulise uJusto. Ngibulise Nkululeko Nkewu. Nkululeko my brother. Ngibulise Benedict Dahatso Vilakazi. Nale awuthiyami uLindo Phepli. Ngibulise uBobo Mncidi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football.
Junior, Sundowns moving 3 points behind the Orlando Pirates, but Indian philosophy ngayo performance ye Polokwane City namhlanje. Remember the previous game in Polokwane where Polokwane City you could see ukuthi they could get a goal anytime against the Sundowns, but namhlanje did you see that ukuthi Polokwane City they wanted a goal? What changed between Polokwane City 2 weeks back and Polokwane City namhlanje?
Namhlanje ngicela uku-apologize umfana wami uThumele Nkhune. He invited me, man. Today I was supposed to be there. Kune big announcement umfana abekumele announce namhlanje manje ngo6 la ePreston. He invited me, ushilo ukuthi beyimina lot ukuthi ngivele. Unfortunately span. So mfana ngithi sorry man, wherever you are. Coming to the game, I Sundowns in equality mfethu. Sundowns in equality. I think they are the only team mfethu South Africa. Ukudlalisa a second stream team badlale ngale ndlela badlale ngayo baphinde bawine, because kunalento bathi match fitness omunye umuntu angayithatha lula and acabanga ukuthi lento enzwa iSundowns into ongayenza overnight is not easy ukudlala ngeidentity yabo, because how they play today indlela le team le bedlala ngayo weekend indlela le team edlala weekend edlala ngayo, it just is obvious pace yanamhlanje a bit slow compared to the weekend. Coming to the game, Polokwane City mfethu be different today, very different Polokwane City my brother. Bengicabanga ukuthi abadlalela Stars bazoba nervous, kuzoba nama goosebumps, but ngibabonile namhlanje bebane strategy, bebane plan how to beat Sundowns. It just that plan abazange sebenze. Dlala transition football, badlala ngespeed. Bazi ukuthi Sundowns ba slow and bebafuna babamba ngecounter. Icishe abasebenzela because Sundowns they press too high. Front three Sundowns press, midfield follow, ne back three yabo yalandela, and then the goalkeeper also become a sweeper. Bebazama ukuthi babathole ngama counter thola ukuthi uRonen I think yenzeke once or twice first half uRonen thola ukuthi alert iphenduka iphenduka izeleze, but Sundowns in terms of moving the ball first half he build up also the midfield, moving the ball very quick, but landing on pockets. That's what they did. But it's different. Namhlanje in a game weekend, kulapha front three, ngikhuluma first half. You can't play on Salis. It's game nalisa. Business deal. Mina ngine problem into so. Ngimzwile ubulinda khuluma le antu abantu bayithatha light. He's telling the truth. There's many players that you can get ngale salary ngabhadala intwana ezi6 ezina 18 years. You can go and find proper talent. So going to the game between Sales no Shalulile, somebody must play, but Shalulile did very well over the weekend and vele angeke adlale uSales anyway. Just put him there. Unalo mfana lo Litlako, the boy, one of the best talents South Africa has ever produced, very comfortable. Bengahlangana front three yabo. I think mistake yabo be phambili ku front three. They build up right in the middle, how they did thinking yabo very beautiful, very comfortable on the ball, being fluid, but up front no combination. kusho ukuthi mfana ulihlako every time when he got the ball uye bobona ngathi kunento ezwenzeka good individual brilliance from umfana ngoba le nto leyayenzile uchange direction umfana kuthi wa pick sports well done le nto yenza unoma bani ukuthi ula iduze ukhabele la bhola ngale ya power ungayanga backwards well done umfana skillful yalazi ibhola as well ne thinking yakhe usober minded but you can't play ngoshalulile no Sales ngibona ushalulile bamenza target man and now Sales ufuna ukuthi drop as a second striker sort of I understand the coach beyenza because the guy is not comfortable. Mawuzotadlala ezetinka lapha landa ibhola licollected ushalile. He can't even trap. He can't move off the ball. He's lazy as well. Yabo. And I don't understand ukuthi utholo yina good ngayo because maybe technically ngisho inhloko ukuheader good but now they can't even find him. He can't even make a space for himself. So Mchito is so poor ngale ndlela. So he weakest link. Yeah, also
but ndingaqhawulanga Junior ndingaqhawulanga uzayenza ipoint yakho but umuntu ohlele ekhaya uzawuthi Mamelodi Sundowns won 2-0 Styles created 2 goals namhlanje so what would you say ukuthi mhlambi do you think ikhona mhlambi an element where you feel ukuthi uSile mhlambi might still improve because but remember we're still just 7 games into the league there's Nedbank coming up there's the Champions League coming up 23 more games that Betway Premiership still coming. Don't you think Mhlambi anga improve because 2 assists Komyumdu might count for something, but
Somnigi credit ngaloko but remember is going to be charged by scoring goals. Yeah, Umchita they want him to score. Mawuzohlula ukora la Polokwane City not going to score. Sundowns going to cream surrounding just find open up a space. Remember Chima winile njengala manje lo mfana uTlaka how you going to put this boy on the bench? He scored. Sundowns 2 litlako 2. Sundowns 2 litlako score 2. So it debate kanjani lonto le. So lo mchita lo ukuthi le nto le you can forget about it. Somebody can come and assist next week and then nayo usengaklema ngalento le. He must score. He's a striker. He was bought to score at Sundowns. Yes, credit to him for assist. But also ngikhuluma nePolokwane City second half nabo. I think South Africa defenders for South Africa they need to learn. Lentenzo maturity. High school mistake. You can't ukuthi ungapha ku right back ufuna ukufaka ibhola phakathi right back ufaka ibhola phakathi central and then there's no one there. I-risk lento bekayenza umfana just put the ball open body ma receiver le ball udlalela inini ngcono bali intercepted and then uyazi ukuthi centrally kuzo regroup again. So second half I think Sundowns ngibonile ichinchi team yabo kunabo Safetra bagenile abo Alende. I think it was a game more of game management from a side in labo, not much of chances about creating second half but credit to this boy. I think he's outstanding. We deserve man of the match. Namhla zangu benesikele man of the match. The boy did very well. Good goal in the second half. Credit somnigo Sales, but you want him to score.
Yeah.
Yabo uye kumele ngabulapha. Yabo la lo mfana beyakhona. Umuntu beka intercept lapha namhlanje umuntu odlala la ka left. And then yena is find himself central. When you score, the name stays there. You're creating a story that no one can even isuse easily unless he score more than goals go now. Yeah, Sundowns did very well mfethu, especially this njoba ngisho team le ngadlali well deserved goodbye win but I'm impressed mfethu ngePolokwane City price akha. I mean this team they don't have high profile players. Yeah, ngiyamuzula into ukhuluma ngomaphangule mina ngisafuna ukubona more from him. Bit slow as well abona sekunesikhathi eside lapha kuBetway Premiership. Mina mawuzodlala ama season kungukuthi kunalentwana botlhako baze introduce they raise their hands manje and then ngitshele enye into I'm not too sure ukuthi umjita is surrounding yes maphangulu uyayibona iID ekhona Kambala, what is the name? The guy is Kambala. I think the guy was a striker. We ambona ukuthi was a striker because bamfake midfield just ukuya lapho kuyogudluza is not comfortable. The guy he can't even akusumuntu onga itimate yakhe akwazi ukuthi alipass ibhola direct most ama passes wakhe accuracy. I'm trying to say that. Yeah, ukulwina ibhola uyalwina and then doing what ngalo. Up front Apollo off kuPolokwane City today. But to police, you can't expect everything guti gube way like over responsible for Polokwane City. It need to be balanced and yeah. Mina ngicaki coach mayingambuyisi lo mjita lo bekadlala Kaizer Chiefs the middle field I think
Oh, Cole Alexander.
Cole Alexander.
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed to Price Guti. Angas banam analysis now. The guy did very well first half.
First half, yeah.
It's not a player with a front three, but because join Alapana very well coming from deep. And Umchita, we need energy man ngithandile decision making. Bega uye bega keep ala passes thola ukuthi Ronwen uyaphume epadini bekumele amiyeke just drop him from the like from up front like from phambili lapho umlethela in the middle central a control le middle mhlambe noma ngabe uswipe yena ukhambala mise lapha noChauke at least better bengaba kanjalo abalandele uyu Police yeah mari team yabo at least izamile just that the different quality nenye into bebane strategy esiwansi ukudlala they wanted to play a counter attacks and it didn't work. Well done to Sundowns, one of the best team ngisayiphinda namanje country and even ngisho second team asibe nevar Shane yipi team in South Africa in second team edlala the way this team play because identity the quality how the team play their weekend is not different ayikho iningi intensity play but they play the same keeping the ball shape scoring back defendise ngokulifuna that's what they do and well done to them.
Yeah, Junior, in 30 seconds, just before we wrap it up, you are a former player and you've been coached by all coach about different. Upon their corner and they're we've seen the Polokwane City. This was the fourth game against the Sundowns. They played most in the MTN 8. I mean, this was the third game. They also played 2 weeks back where they won. You could see with the Polokwane City when they're playing against the Sundowns, they always play with the confidence. Even last season, they lost 2 games, but you could see with the Polokwane City is one of those teams where Kabesa and the Sundowns, they will always give the Sundowns the problems. But ungabikho kwa coach wabo namhlanje in 30 seconds, Junior. Now we are a former player. Iba chaphazeleka kangakanani na ukuthi coach abangabikho namhlanje?
Leyo thi leyo coach ifana noGoblo weRhythm City exactly. Leyo umcebesile silele ngikhumbuza uBrakop sorry la khona Grootman. Yeah ingwenya I think ilento kungarani team professional because mina kuna report from the media ngiswile.
Yeah.
Kuba unprofessional we don't know the guy ukuthi wenzeni but ngimzwile noma ncoba compliment le coach makamudla last time but the coach ngiyazwa bamcomplimenta emfethu mina ngiyaxolisa ne iPolokwane City at the strategy they never played well against Sundowns even last season kule game lebabadle kuyi well done because bathatha igame bayisa egrounding elibumpy no ukuthi Sundowns they are not comfortable ground elincane and we can't falter iPolokwane City by doing that ku second le iPolokwane City le ground elesi2 we can't falter them ukuthi bayenze leyo nto leyo but today go open space whereby there's carpet I wanted to see Gibo coach kungabi khona namhlanje I don't think noma ngabi khona bekuzoba ne different yabo because when they play even last 2 years or so bebadlalile ublock it's only last time when they play badlale ngespeed catching up Sundowns lesikhathi badlale Polokwane ngoba iground elincane and Sundowns they wanted to build kube ne build up the way they were passing the ball nakhona bebadlalisa ama second stream team yabo is scattered yabona disjointed as well like some player fitness level being a balance so confident ama player bewanganayo but today noma ngabe bekakhona coach I don't think there was going to be different so umchita kule 2 years just ukuphendula bekadlala block hoping to find catch Sundowns futhi by then beka rely ku this guy Police they rely on him most bekuye oza neplan ayicala iqedwe umchita yabona but now kule game leya at least there was Chauke mathulile akhuphuke ngale kulela side ka right ngapho Police as well ngikhuluma le Polokwane namhlanje yes that strategy but azange sespan noma ngabe beyakhona there was no differentiation unfortunately.
Well, that's it. 30 seconds, good Junior, 10 to 2 minutes. Well, that's it. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Polokwane City 0. That's it for iDiskiTV.